Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is very exciting. I'm gonna be showing you guys my beauty room. So if you guys didn't know, me and my boyfriend moved into a new build. So my last beauty room transformation was at my parents' house, which I love and miss that beauty room so much, but I have a new house now and I have a little bit of a smaller room than the other one, so I kind of just like rearranged it a little bit, got new stuff. So I figured, let me show you. I have a backyard tour coming as well. I don't know if that will be up before this video. I'm not sure yet because I have a lot of editing to do, but I figured I would just go ahead and show you guys my beauty room because I feel like it's very aesthetic. Well, at least for me it is. But let's just jump right into the tour. Okay, so when you walk into my beauty room, the first thing you're gonna see is my desk, like my work desk and all of that. So I'll kind of go through everything. I'll try to have everything linked. A lot of it is from like TJ Maxx and stuff that you can't always link, but I'll find similar stuff. But this desk is from Amazon, same with the chair, which I'll have that link down below. Such a great desk for the price, such great quality, has 2 drawers. But on top here, I just have a photo of me and my friend Erin. This is from Home Goods. And then I have this cute like acrylic raised like tray for my laptop, which is also from Amazon. And my planner, my iPad kind of stayed down below. And then as you can see, acrylic is like my vibe. And this is also from Amazon with some pens and stuff from Target. But I keep my desk pretty minimal. I don't like too much clutter. Like the drawers here are pretty cluttered. Like we have my electronic drawer, which I need to organize. And then all of my other stuff, which I also need to organize as well. But above my desk, I just have these Chanel photos of some books and stuff. I feel like they look crooked, but yeah, so I actually had this desk on the back wall and my makeup desk in front of the window, but I like changed it all and I love this way better. But these are all from a store called At Home. So I'll try to link similar ones that if I can find them on Amazon for you guys, if you guys are interested. Moving on to this little corner here, it's kind of like my filming corner. I kind of put all my equipment in the corner here because sometimes it's a hassle to constantly, break apart and put down into the closet and then put back up when I want to film. So I just kind of have it out so ready to go whenever I feel like filming, because I kind of just like film whenever I have some free time. Up there we just have another photo that's from TJ Maxx, just like of the Chanel perfume. It's gold and white, so I thought it added lots of color. Not color, but it just kind of like tied the room together. Finally, I put up curtains. It's been quite a minute, but I really think these are so cute. They're from IKEA. I forgot the name of them, but I'll have them linked down below. They're just nice and sheer. I just wanted something to give me like somewhat of a privacy, but also at night people can't like look through the window and see all my stuff. And I can, push them back if I want to. And then I have like I need to fix the top, and then I have like a cute little opening, So there's that. Moving on, we just have the same mirror that has been in my college apartment, my other beauty room, and now it's in this house. And the flooring though is just so pretty, so it really ties the whole mirror together. It matches really well. This mirror is also from Home Goods. It was like, I think $140. Such a big mirror, like it's a full length mirror, which I love. Makes you look snatched, so that's a plus. And then moving on to this area right here is probably my favorite. I'm gonna try to get like a whole overview for you guys. But this is my like makeup station. So I'm gonna go through everything, kind of tell you guys where it's from. So to start off, this has also been with me since my start on YouTube, which is like 3-4 years ago. The Alex 9 drawers, which are really gross right now because I had labels and they all like peeled off, so I need to kind of clean that out. But this is obviously where I store all of, you know, all of the makeup. You know, we just got drawers and drawers filled with stuff. If you want to see an updated makeup tour, let me know down below. But I also have like my gel nail polishes and stuff, so kind of got all of that going on in those drawers. Probably won't go through all of them because it's kind of boring. But if you want to see what's in them, let me know down below. So I just, hey, peace. So on top of here, I just keep this really cute heart, like glass container or bowl that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And it's really cute. So I just keep miscellaneous like jewelry in here that I don't use all too often. Sometimes I'll throw it on when I'm filming so I don't have to like run all the way to my bedroom. And then of course the lighter is in here so I can light a candle. But I just keep some miscellaneous jewelry, like I said. If I'm filming and I need some jewelry, I'll just like throw it on. But I also like kind of liked the aesthetic of it, like the gold jewelry in there. This doesn't really match. That actually looks a lot better, so I'm gonna put this in the drawer. But yeah. And then we have our makeup brushes. Now these are also from IKEA, from their garden section. I feel like every YouTuber used to have them, but I've had them for so long, so I just think they're really cute, honestly. And they're just really cheap and simple. So I just have 2 of them for my face brushes and then all of my like eye brushes, which I swear I used to have so many brushes, but I got rid of so many because they were so old and gross. It was time. So definitely I like to keep it minimal. I really just use the same brushes anyway, so it doesn't matter. And then this really nice big mirror is also from IKEA. It was like $14. I thought it was so pretty. I just really wanted like a big mirror to do my makeup in, and also to help with filming and stuff, so I can like move it around. It's kind of heavy, but I just kind of really wanted a big mirror for my vanity anyways. And this thing is huge. And I love to take photos in it. Actually, I'll like take it outside and take some photos in it. So kind of works out. Okay, so then moving on to the actual beauty desk. This is, I think, the Malm, M-A-L-M desk from IKEA with the glass top. Underneath it, I usually have this pushed in, but this is from Amazon. It is so stinking cute, just like a little makeup vanity chair. And the quality is amazing. I think it was like 50 bucks off Amazon. And I absolutely love it. So I like to just kind of keep it pushed in so it's just not taking up too much floor space, which is also why I really like this desk. You can fit a lot of stuff underneath it. And comes with a drawer, which the drawer I need to organize because I just kind of threw everything that was on here in here to film. That's the reality. Honestly, I just like throw stuff in drawers. Then I have just like a trash that's also from Home Goods. But on top, I like to keep it, like I said, very minimal. I don't like too much clutter. I usually will just throw a bunch of stuff in the drawer and clutter the drawers up, but I don't like too much stuff on the actual desk, which I need to clean the desk because it's really dirty. But over here, I just kind of have like a little decor piece. This is from Target. It's just like a really cute decorative candle. It smells really good too. And then this little glass thing that you put over it just to add, I don't know, a little bit of luxe to the room. And then I just have some jewelry over here. I don't really use this every day. Again, when I'm filming, I like to keep some jewelry on display also so I can use it if I forget to put jewelry on while I'm filming. But this stand is from Amazon and it has little hooks on it. I think it's so cute. Just like a nice nude stand, kind of again ties the aesthetic of everything together, which I love. So I think that was like 10 bucks. And then moving on to what's on the wall here, which is probably my favorite part. So now all the shelving is from Target. It came in like a set. Now let me tell you, putting these on, oh my Jesus, trying to line up both sides, it was a mess. We made quite a bit of marks, but it's fine. Okay, so to start off, let's start off with the photos. I actually bought the actual, not the frame, but the actual photos off a seller on Amazon. So I had the Prada one, and then it came, I think, did it come with two? No, I bought them separately, which this is uneven, so I'm gonna fix it. But they're like these nice like paper, it was like on this really nice recyclable paper, which I actually have a vlog kind of showing you guys. I forgot which vlog, but I'll try to link it down below. And then I went to Target and I bought some frames. So I bought like an all black frame and then a gold frame, because that was kind of the theme I was going for, like black, gold, white, and pink. So I really thought I kind of like tied it all together. And I like that they're like different, they're different sizes, and one's horizontal and one's vertical. So yeah, so starting off on this shelf, I like to like display, I had my makeup brushes here, but I thought this bag was so cute. It's from Forever 21. Like, it's adorable. It reminds me of like a Chanel bag. So I just thought that like putting it on display would be really cute. And then this little frame, I think it's from like World Market. I got it as a gift, but I just put me and Alex's prom flowers, which was like years ago, like 4 years ago. In here is like all dried up, so I thought it was super cute to display. And then of course we have the Coco Chanel little picture. And then on this shelf I just have an empty Dior bag that I thought kind of like tied in the white and gold. And then I also got this in my stocking. I think it's from World Market, but I went ahead and picked I don't know what these are called, cattails maybe, like mini cattails. They're actually across the street, and so I went ahead and took some scissors and cut some and put them in here. That way they can like kind of get dried up and stuff, and it looks so cute, kind of like ties in all the nudes and beiges in the room. So that's what I did there. And then the middle shelf, I have a photo of me and Alex from our 1 month anniversary. We're on our 4th year now, so we were babies then. And then I just keep this little, again, this little like tray bowl thing, which has the candle top. I don't know, adds, you know, has a little bit of gold detailing, so I thought it was cute. And then this is actually from my grandpa years and years ago when he went to Paris. I thought it also kind of tied in a lot of things as well, even though it's kind of like silver. And then I just have a candle from Bath & Body Works. This one smells amazing and it's very aesthetic. And then the top shelf, I also have another vase from World Market, and then I just put dried up flowers. I like to dry flowers up and display them because I think they're really cute. So that's like the whole overview of the decor. And I think it kind of just like ties this whole area together. And just looking at this area, I don't know, I love it. It's so pretty. I feel like it's something you see on Pinterest. That completes this beauty room tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed, got some inspo. I'll try to leave a lot of things linked down below for you guys if I can find them or something similar. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more rooms in my house, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.